Hello everybody. Welcome to the Certified Buyer Agent. I'm Pat Hyben, host of Real Estate Rockstars and founder of Rebus University. We have an incredible course for you. I cannot wait to introduce this to you. Carrie Shull and Dan Lesniak have been on my show, Real Estate Rockstars, and have disclosed incredible amounts of information. And after I got to know them a little better, I said, man, we need to do a buyer course. There was no one else in the entire world, and bear in mind, I've interviewed over 600 real estate agents that I thought would be good to have this course with. They run an extremely tight ship, and they sell a lot of houses to very qualified buyers. I could have filled this course with a lot of cliches, but you know, the thing is, you can find out how to handle buyer leads the old-fashioned way, right? With scripts and dialogues that are antiquated, even if someone came up with them less than a year ago. The old ways of getting buyers just are not working. The market has changed so much, and the amount of buyer leads and the quality of the buyer leads has changed so much that it really needed a system, a process that worked and it was proven. And Carrie and Dan have found that proven process, and I'm excited to be able to bring that proven process to you. All I ask is that you're patient and that you understand that this is hard. This is not easy. If you want to learn how to try to close buyer leads in an easy way, it's out there. It's on my podcast. I've talked to probably 50 different agents about how to close buyer leads. If you want a way that's going to work a lot better than what you're currently getting, this is the course for you. So hang in there, watch it step by step, and implement it, right? Without proper implementation and without the courage and the strength to get it done, you won't succeed at this. But I guarantee you that if you put their proven process into place, no matter whether you're running a team, no matter whether you're part of a team, or no matter whether you're an individual agent, if you put this process into place, it will work. So I don't want to waste any more time because I'm so excited to jump into this. Let's get going.